For the last part of this short series, I'm going to be reviewing the cold galvanizing compound, and I tested on a few different surfaces. Cannot apply it over the phosphoric acid while it's wet. It works fine after it's dry. Now this has been here for 2 days, and yesterday, so after 1 day, this would scrape off very easily. And now, after 2 days, it seems that it's hardened up and it's not scraping off anymore. So that's very nice. But it's not very hard. It's not something that's very hard. I tested on a galvanized pipe, and initially it seems it just rubs off. You can, in some places, see that still rubs off. On the steel, it seems to be alright. And so there as well. There still scrapes off very easily. Looks like it doesn't stick to other paints at all. I applied some here, and it just scrapes off fairly easily. So you cannot apply it over paint. It looks like you can apply paint to it, but not the other way around. Apply it here to bare metal. Yeah, it seems to be alright. So, bare metal, no other paints or primers, I don't think. Not the best stuff, because it seems fairly soft, and well, only time will tell how hard it actually is on those other pieces that I tested there. So I might do another short video a few months from now, weeks maybe, I don't know, but it's hard to see where this product would fit in. It is indeed more like a coating rather than a paint. I don't know about this. It's relatively soft and scratches off easily. It looks like white paint. Sort of grayish, whitish paint. So I don't know, it doesn't look like a really good product. Not a lot of information on it either. So for now I have no place for it. I'm just gonna stick to the paint, which seemed to work fine. I don't know if maybe this product over time would actually galvanize steel or cast iron in some sort of reaction, but once again, only time will tell. And once again, not a lot of no information at all about this. And, I also don't know how well it would work on an engine. So, not very conclusive, unfortunately. But I guess that's pretty much it for now, I guess. Applied some of it over there, and it just rubs off very easily, as you can see. But it does seem to harden up after 2 days. And the heat is fairly hot right now, yesterday as well. So I just have to get back to that.